everyone, it's Daniel Keys, and I'm super excited to be coming back to the Scottsdale Artist School. I'll teach my usual methods, cover topics like drawing and value, color, edges, and maybe even composition. And it's always a good time here. It's such a wonderful place to learn. Everyone gathers from all over with the same purpose and the same mind, just to grow and to experience what it's like to learn in a school kind of environment. So it's a lot of fun. It's very rewarding. It's a great way to connect, I think, as well as develop the necessary skills to be our best selves. So stay tuned, and I hope to see you in a workshop.